Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change domain name of a WordPress website. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Begin by opening your browser and navigating to the WordPress website. After logging in, you will see your main dashboard where different management options are available. From here, locate the Upgrade section, click on Upgrade, and inside it, find and open the Domains area. This dedicated section allows you to manage existing domains, add new ones, or make adjustments to your domain settings based on your needs. Once inside the Domains area, look for the option to add a new domain. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear offering different choices for domain setup. From this menu, select Use a domain I already own. After selecting this option, a text field will appear where you must type your current registered domain. Be sure to enter the domain name correctly, including the exact spelling and extension, to avoid transfer issues. When you have typed the domain name, click Continue to move forward. Once that is complete, WordPress will prompt you to enter an authorization code, also known as an EPP code, which you can obtain from your domain host or registrar. Enter this code carefully to confirm ownership and allow the transfer. At this stage, WordPress may guide you through a payment process if domain transfer fees apply. After this, WordPress will begin processing your request to update the domain, and that's it. So that is how you can change domain name of a WordPress website. So that's all for this video, thanks.